Sonali Chatterjee from We Women Entrepreneurs Enclave. Congratulations to all the entrepreneurs today because we are celebrating today World Entrepreneurs Day. And how we are celebrating? We have organized WE4BM Business Conclave and Excellence Awards where we will be recognizing all the entrepreneurs today. About We Women Entrepreneurs Enclave, we have completed 7 years and we started with 12 members and today we are 40,000 plus members in all India, in Pan India, and some of them in and abroad as well. So what we do, we help entrepreneurs to create platforms. We give platforms to them so that they can showcase their products because we organize exhibitions. They can also present themselves. They can present their businesses because we organize a lot of presentations for them. And today also we have entire day we have a lot of good keynote speakers and panel discussions on AI and marketing trends. We are also having a panel discussion on contribution of entrepreneurs on today's India's economic growth. So this is what we are doing today, and we have various keynote speakers from various industries. We have a lot of corporate people, we have entrepreneurs, businessmen and industrialists. So all the best, and if you want to join we, contact me at 9867210670. Thank you.
All right. It's a great pleasure to be here at World Entrepreneur Day on a WE platform, having 40,000 members in just 7 years. Myself, Ram Mohan Bhave. I am President of Association of Valuation Professionals. Also, Independent Director and Chairperson of LIC Mutual Fund till last month for 10 years. We hold, basically being a chartered accountant, but very much in love with AI and marketing. So today we'll be having a grand sessions on AI and marketing. I'm sure all of you would love the today's program. The type of the event which is getting conducted is having high profile people, and I'm sure everybody will gain. And in case you need anything, of course, here is the contact details. Contact us anytime. It's our pleasure to welcome you.
I'm the founder of Saira Musical Events, a platform for the visual impaired and disabled artists. And this company is for the last 2 years. And I am associated with the Women's Entrepreneurs Enclave, with Chaitali, with over 40,000 fellow entrepreneurs. And she's been doing a remarkable job. And today is the 7th year of Excellence Awards. So I wish Chaitali all the very best, and it's very great to be associated with Chaitali for a long-term association. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Sharon Prabhakar, and I'm happy to be celebrating, World Entrepreneurs Day. In fact, we have a lot to celebrate today. We have distinguished panelists. We're going to be talking about all sorts of things on how to push futures forward, and I'm going to be anchoring the program. So, see you all there.
Good morning. Today I'm here at the World Entrepreneurs Day, and it is I'm really grateful to Chaitali and the others who have given me this platform. I'm Madhulika Arora. I'm a floral artist, and I am the founder of my own brand, Floral Bliss. And it's an award function day, and I'm part of it, so I feel very thankful to be here and hoping the best for everybody.
I'm Sonali Datta, प्लेबैक सिंगर, और आज मैं ये वी फंक्शन में आई हूँ चैताली दी के इनविटेशन पे, और मैं आज परफॉर्म करने वाली हूँ गणपति आरती. सो इट्स गणपति बप्पा's blessings. I'm really blessed today, and thank you everyone for inviting me.
My name is Priyanka Pandya, and I have represented my Magic with Minds vision with Business Excellence Award organized by Women Entrepreneur Enclave. It is my great pleasure to get connected with Chaitali ma'am. She has given a great opportunity to nominate our business and represent our skills in the front of mentors. I give a best wishes on the celebration of Business Excellence Awards on World Entrepreneur Day. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Ruchi Shrivastava, owner of Vedi Tattva Ayurvedic Skin and Hair Care Products. So मेरे products सब natural products होते हैं, and मैं वी के साथ around 6 years से हूँ, और जैसे जैसे वी का ग्रोथ हुआ है वैसे वैसे मेरा भी बहुत ग्रोथ हुआ है, आने के बाद ज़्यादा हुआ। स्पेशली थैंक्स फॉर चैताली एंड वन माय फ्रेंड सुष्मिता जिसने मुझे ग्रुप ज्वाइन कराया। और मेरे ऑल ओवर इंडिया 900 कस्टमर्स हैं और बाय कुरियर मैं सब जगह सप्लाई करती हूँ अपने प्रोडक्ट्स को। सेफ़ है, नेचुरल है, प्लीज़ ट्राई। थैंक यू।
Good morning, my name is Akash Gupta. I represent my company Sykes and Ray Equities, and I have been invited to this beautiful I've been invited by this beautiful organization to come and speak about finance today and personal finance and how you can actually grow your wealth over a period of time. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Hemant Jangla. We are into insurance broking and also investment banking and also merchant banking. Thank you very much for for inviting today in the today's whole day conclave, where we are all gathered here for the captain of the ship, you can say, from various industry, and especially discuss on AI and its effect on marketing. And we all see last 2 years, especially 2.5 years, there's a lot of havoc and panic in the market for the basically marketing company and advertising company. And it is true, like a lot of visible threat from AI, and it's true also because advertising and copywriting, script writing, the job is literally diminishing from this side. But I think it's a plus and minus side both. We need to keep the balance because AI is reality, so one has to accept and adopt. You can't say like it's like same like internet. You have a lot of opposition in last before 20 years. But AI is reality. So I think we should adopt, and AI is going to be more and more efficient. So we should be looking forward to what is next, and that's exactly we are here. Because today AI is able to do a lot of things from data management, marketing, creative ideas, and script writing, and any language. So that's the take over the work, and very good ideas is also they can giving. So we should be prepared of my advice to we should prepare to what is next, and if we can reskill and upskill, then only we can able to take this challenge. Otherwise, I'm afraid a lot of jobs and distraction will be there in the job market due to AI. But if we reskill and upskill, because there has to be one person or people to check what is AI is giving, because very important. So there is some audit mechanism, some compliance matter. So I think we have to keep the balance on that. And thank you again, and congratulations to Chaitali ma'am to arrange today's very good event conference for whole day, where a lot of ideas will be going to flow. And I hope and trust that a lot of take home is going to be there. And today also World Entrepreneur Day, so congratulations to them. Thank you very much.
Okay, Namaste. This is Dr. G. Ramesh Kumar, Director General from MSME Bharat Manch, which is powered by Rupee Boss Financial Services. And today we are one of the national distributor for loans, especially catering to MSMEs. And we're very glad that this event, Women Entrepreneurs Conclave, is being held today, led by Chaitali Chatterjee, Madam, and the entire team. Of course, a lot of insights which is required for MSMEs, especially for women entrepreneurs, because the Ministry of MSME has launched more than 1,000 plus schemes and subsidies, of which majority of them has been for women entrepreneurs. But the irony is many of the entrepreneurs are absolutely ignorant and not aware about it. And we will have a lot of insights which is going to be spoken by various speakers on funding schemes, how they can avail these benefits. And I wish the entire team good luck, and the whole audience, all MSMEs will definitely take away the benefits of this session, but not restricting it to only learning, because information is also available on the Google, but implementation is also more important, for which they need to reach out to companies like us at MSME Bharat Manch, where we will handhold them to avail the subsidies and schemes. That is the crux. Only then we can say the MSMEs have availed the benefit, and it will bring the change and scale up their business in the long run. So my best wishes to all, and especially to Chaitali ji for inviting. Thank you so much. Dhanyavad.
Hello everyone, I am Preeti Mehta, founder of Sprint Solutions and a digital strategist. It's a privilege to be part of the We core team. We is not just a business community, it empowers entrepreneurs to grow together. Under the inspiring leadership of Chaitali, We has grown to be a network which has helped entrepreneurs grow, collaborate and succeed together. Thank you.
Namaskar. Hi, I'm Gargi here on this occasion of World Entrepreneurs Day, and it's great to be here for this Entrepreneurs Excellence Award organized by We. And I have been associated with Chaitali and We for last few years. Last year also I was the jury. Now about myself. I am Gargi Nandi Roy, and I was born and raised in Kolkata. I started my acting career in Kolkata when I was a college student. Then I had my own show. I used to write, anchor, and for Zee Bangla, research, write and anchor. Then I acted in many Hindi serials. I've been running, we run a business. I have a film school. We have been running the business film school since 2006. And we conduct courses across the country. It is Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore, Delhi, Chandigarh, Ahmedabad, Hyderabad. So across, that's how. And that's why, because of this business and entrepreneurship, Chaitali and me, we got associated, and I'm great to be here. You know, as I said, I was born and raised in Kolkata, and because of the politics there, when we were growing up, because of the kind of left politics, enterprise was always demonized, demeaned. No, as if some wealth creators, people who do business are bad people, bourgeoisie, so they were demeaned, and that's why we have seen it sad that so many industries went away from West Bengal. That's a sad part of the history of West Bengal, that it was a hub of industries and everybody left. And Bengali culture, Bengalis are by nature, they will go for a 9-to-5 job, very happy. So among them, a Bengali coming out for business is a great thing. I feel so great. And that's why I'm with Chaitali. She's a woman of substance, and in today's woman, and she has started this great enterprise, a great enterprise of bringing so many women under the same umbrella. It's a very difficult job. Just go and see, get 5 people, 10 people, and when you're getting thousands of people under the same roof. So she's doing so much good for other women, the entrepreneurs, the small entrepreneurs, and who need support for networking, who need support for fundraising. So she is bringing them together. That's a great enterprise. So I feel very proud as a Bengali, as a woman, that she has done such a great thing. So that's why I have been associated with her. Last year also I was the jury. And this year also she has called me as a jury and a speaker. And it's great to be here. I wish Chaitali all the best. I want more women like this. More women, more Bengali women, more Indian women should be so enterprising. So I wish her all the best. May more people be associated with We. And I wish all the women entrepreneurs who are coming and joining, I wish you all the best. More power to you. Be tough, be steady, be ready to observe all the shocks, because as an entrepreneur, when you are an entrepreneur, remember, entrepreneurs are the people who determine the economic destiny of a country. So you are very important because you determine the economic destiny of your country by creating job, creating money and generating taxes. So all the best, especially for women entrepreneurs. All the best. More power to you, Chaitali. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Mani Iyer. I run a company which is called Vigas Group, which is basically into security and facility management. We provide these services across India. Also, I run this thing called Tajurba, which is basically entrepreneurs coming at one place, doing businesses, doing referrals and all those things. So today, I'm very proud. I am at WEE, Woman Entrepreneur, which is led by Chaitali. Chaitali I came to know recently, and fantastic lady, super personality, super connected, and the way she has been handling. She has a team of about members, about 38,000 women entrepreneurs, which makes me so proud to be a team members for him and for them, and helping them and coming over here is such a proud thing which is happening. Moreover, today being Entrepreneurs Day, I wish all my entrepreneurs, so wish you all the best, and I want you to say only one thing: please keep going, please don't stop yourself. And did you cut it?
Yeah, continue.
Yeah. So I would love to say all my entrepreneur friends, that don't stop. लाइफ में ऊपर होता है, नीचे होता है, तकलीफ़ें आती है, ये जो हसल है दिन का, यही आपको ऊपर लेके जाएगा. And thank you once again. Thank you V for giving me this opportunity. Thanks a lot.
Hello, I'm Rajlakshmi Joshi, and I'm an entrepreneur very firstly. I'm an architect, interior designer, I'm a political analyst, and very firstly, I'm also a very integral part of V. I'm an advisory board council member, and I'm very happy and proud to be a part of V. It has been an amazing journey, and I think that V actually is a perfect platform for all women entrepreneurs who want to find a voice, who want to find a platform to speak about their products, to speak about themselves, their activities, whatever services they can give to society. And I think that the growth of the women entrepreneurs along with We is something amazing. We has grown from strength to strength. We have grown from strength to strength, from 12 members to more than 40,000 members. I mean, that's an amazing journey. And I think that the impact of We is something that is to be seen, to be believed. So hats off to Chaitali for bringing together everyone and for making sure that everyone finds a good platform, and she also keeps them aware of all the happenings, like all the latest in the technology, the latest in financial schemes and policies, and she makes sure that everybody is in good contact with everybody that they need to be in. So I think that this is a good family, a good network, and another thing is a very happy World Entrepreneurs Day to all the entrepreneurs out there, and especially to all the women. So don't ever think that any of your dreams are small, and because no dream is small and no vision is small enough, and every little dream that you have, you can work on it and make it big. So dream your way to huge success, and keep flying, keep shining, keep smiling. And a very happy World Entrepreneurs Day to everybody, and thank you so much, Chaitali, for bringing us all together. Thank you.
Namaskar. My name is Nandita Puri, and I'm a writer and chairperson of the Om Puri Foundation. First of all, a very happy World Entrepreneurs Day, and especially an extra special happiness to all the women entrepreneurs. I'm very happy to be celebrating this day today with We, that is Women Entrepreneurs Enclave, started by Chaitali Chatterjee. I met her just some years back, I think when she started this 5, 6, 7 years back, at a book launch where she told me, I'm starting this forum, WEE, and I've got about 12 members. So I said, okay. She said, will you join in an advisory capacity? I said, of course, why not? And throughout the COVID, I noticed, when the world was working from home, and women suddenly became very, very active, because they were not only doing the housework, they were also because everything was online. So they started bringing out the best in them, the best skills, whether they were making pickles or jams or cloud kitchens or various other products which they were selling. And Chaitali brought all of them together. And today, from 12 members, she has 40,000 plus members. And I'm so happy to be part of her journey and a journey with all the women. And every time I come here, it's a beautiful, beautiful gathering. Every time you see, some old members here, some new members, new products, old products. And the best is, a lot of members who have started with Chaitali have moved on to make their own groups. And I've told Chaitali, this is the best thing. It's not just, you've made them independent, and that is the best thing. And I think it's a very, very interactive, good forum. Chaitali is from the corporate world, and to bring back and give it back to more entrepreneurs is something very, very, very heartwarming. So I wish we all the best and a very happy World Entrepreneurs Day to everyone. So, and I'm very, very happy to be part of we. Thank you very much. Namaskar.
Good morning to everyone. This is Dr. Anil Garg here. I'm the founder of ANG Consultancy D2H Academy, and I'm running my own firm Finco, where we provide corporate consultancy. I'm also happy to become an advisory board of We also. This We Women Entrepreneur Enclave started 7 years ago by Chaitali, who was my student basically. She started 7 years ago, and initially she had only 5-6 members. But I'm very happy to know that in 7 years the journey has gone a long way, and now We has got 40,000 members on board. So I feel proud of my student Chaitali. She is just a dynamic person, dynamic lady. She can do wonders. She is doing wonders. As regards Business Excellence Awards, I was a jury member of this award, and the way this has been organized, very scientifically, everybody was given an opportunity to present their product, their organization, and it was an open forum. So we all jury members, we decided unanimously who are the awardees, and all those awardees are going to get award today. I wish Chaitali to keep growing and keep achieving new heights in her life. Thank you so much for inviting me today.
Hello, welcome to WE event today. I think Chaitali and her team is doing a great job. I think they are in their 7th year of celebration of women entrepreneurs. I think I also congratulate all the winners today who have excelled in their respective businesses, because when more and more entrepreneurs build their companies, I think more and more employment will be generated. And we at Rupee Boss, we help MSMEs to raise debt. Suppose if you are having a good turnover and if you would like to grow it more, we help to raise debt from banks and NBFCs in the country. I wish more and more entrepreneurs to come up in India and build their businesses so that our GDP goes up and employment generation goes up month after month. Thank you.
Hi, first and foremost, I want to congratulate We for having created so many members. It's really amazing that they're focusing on women entrepreneurship. And all of this is possible primarily because of one woman called Chaitali Chatterjee. I'm Shanta Valluri Gandhi. I'm the president of Rotary Club of Mumbai Inspire. We are a unique club because we focus on diversity, equity, inclusion. We have started the first trans cafe in this country, which is basically uplifting trans people from sex work and other allied type of work, only to focus on building for the future and sustainability. In addition to this, we also support Suryoday School and Bursary, which is education for young children, women empowerment and vocational training, and most importantly, environment, because what is the world we are leaving for 2050? Luckily for us, on World Entrepreneur Day, today it's all about Together We Build. And 2025's theme is totally about how can you make a difference to the community while you're working on your return, both individually as well as shareholder return, and of course for employee and customer. Can you make an impact on community? And that's where Rotary Club of Mumbai Inspire makes the difference along with me. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity, and I'm very happy to have been a part of this.
Hi, it is to be honored here on the World Entrepreneurs Day at the 7th Business Conclave and Excellence Award 2025. I am Sneha Patil, Chartered Accountant, partner at SVV and Company, founder of MGA Group and president of Maharashtra Chapter Co-Federation of Women Entrepreneurs. I really enjoyed this entire process of being a jury in this award, and I like the entire process, which is very transparent, and the main leader, Ms. Chaitali of V organization, Women Entrepreneurs Enclave, she gave me and connect with these organizations. This is really a very nice platform for all entrepreneurs. I request everyone to join this platform to gain an experience at a higher level. Thank you.
Hello, this is Dr. Jyoti Changiani, tagged as a Bollywood astrologer. I have done PhD in tarot and healing. By profession, I'm a tarot master consultant, tarot master instructor, numerologist trainer, Reiki grandmaster, motivational speaker, brand ambassador of various companies, and social activist. It's a beautiful day, and the way it has been organized, amazing. A couple of months back, we have judged the awards, and all the entrepreneurs, business entrepreneurs, they have come with their products, and we have, finalists, everything. So today is on World Entrepreneurs Day. So congratulations to Chaitali, who's completing 7 years. So today they are going to be awarded, and today we had a jury panel over here with our most gorgeous host, Sharon Prabhakarji, the well-known, well-renowned singer, and the jury panel was amazing. We had various discussions on global with this AI technology and various other things, how this entrepreneurship is going ahead and what consequences, what positive features are going to be developed in future, and some my future predictions and how this is going to be going to go ahead. And apart from that, it was a great learning. I myself was motivated with all other jury panel members, with all other entrepreneurs, much more learning, and it was amazing. So congratulations to all the winners who have won this award, and all the best wishes to Chaitali for her future endeavors. Thank you.
I'm Shwetapadma Mahanti, the founder of Business Leadership League. This is an ecosystem for entrepreneurs where we help them connect, collaborate and grow. And we and BLL work together. I am very, very happy to be a part of the We platform. Know Chaitali personally. I think Chaitali, her entire team and we are doing a wonderful work because of two main reasons. One, obviously the focus is so much on women entrepreneurs, which is the need of the hour, and there is so much potential to explore. Secondly, they are also getting together and representing the micro entrepreneurs, self-employed professionals so well, giving them a platform to, position themselves rightly, to present themselves rightly, get feedback and improve. I think these are things which in the long run will help a lot of us shape our businesses better. And my experience in the jury was amazing, very unbiased, and where we had equal representation from all kinds of businesses. And I think this award, the Business Excellence Award, is a wonderful way to celebrate our work and to pat each other's back. And I look forward to all the upcoming series and editions. Thank you so much, Chaitali and me.
राधे राधे, हरे कृष्णा। मैं हूँ पूज्य विष्णुप्रिया, डॉक्टर पूजा बी वर्मा, पूज्य डिवाइन से, और आप सबकी स्पिरिचुअल फ्रेंड। आप सब तो मुझे जानते ही हैं बिकॉज़ आप मेरे सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स, जो है उनके बारे में। पूज्या डिवाइन जो है वो स्पिरिचुअल नॉलेज, वैदिक नॉलेज शेयर करने में और वुमेन को एम्पावरमेंट में याद दिलाने में कि हम जो सनातनी हैं, जैसे कि अहिल्याबाई होलकर और रानी लक्ष्मीबाई और जो हमारी गॉड एंड गॉडेसेस हैं हिंदू सनातनी की, उसके जो एम्पावरमेंट टिप्स हैं, जैसे द्रौपदी है, माता कुंती है, उनके जो एम्पावरमेंट टिप्स हैं उसकी एजुकेशन देती है। उसके अलावा सोशल वर्क करती है, जहाँ की गौ सेवा हो गया, एनवायरनमेंट हो गया। तो मैं बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स के लिए और NGOs के लिए ब्रांड एम्बेसडर हूँ। और चैताली जी के साथ और वी के साथ में मेरा बहुत ही पुराना रिश्ता है। मेरी शुरुआत ही चैताली जी के साथ हुई थी और उनके प्लेटफॉर्म से ही बहुत ग्रोथ आगे मिलती है। इसके बारे में तो मैं उनको क्या बोलूँ, उनके लिए मेरे लिए ज़्यादा शब्द है नहीं, लेकिन उनकी एक चीज़ मुझे बहुत पसंद है कि वो नेवर गिव अप करती हैं और यही एटीट्यूड रखना चाहिए। यू शुड नॉट गिव अप इन लाइफ, नो मैटर, उतार चढ़ाव सारी चीज़ें आती रहती हैं। तो वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स के लिए तो यही कहना है कि पहली बात तो आप अपने माइंड में ये रखिए कि एम्पावर होना नहीं है, हम ऑलरेडी एम्पावर्ड हैं। इसीलिए मैंने आपको कुछ नाम लिए थे, जैसे कि जो मैंने आपको पास सनातनीज, योद्धिकास का और हमारी हिंदू सनातन गॉडेसेस के जो नाम मैंने मेंशन किए, उनसे ये प्रूफ है कि शास्त्रों से ही जो वुमेन है वो ऑलरेडी एम्पावर्ड है। तो जो प्लेटफॉर्म आपको मिलता है, एक प्योर सा प्लेटफॉर्म मिलता है चैताली जी जैसा वी प्लेटफॉर्म, तो उसके साथ में आप अपनी टैलेंट को आगे दिखा सकते हैं, आगे बढ़ सकते हैं, एंड देयर इज़ नो गिविंग अप।
I congratulate Chaitali Chatterjee for giving a successful event today. It was very motivating, interesting and very vocal. I give my best wishes to Chaitali. Last many years she is doing this type of event and a lot of people have been benefited with her activities. My best wishes to हर एज वेल एज उसके साथ में जितने लोग हैं उन सबको मेरी तरफ से शुभकामनाएं।
Hi everyone, I'm Ruby Bhatia, television presenter and happiness life coach, and I'm very happy and excited to be associated with Chaitali Chatterjee of Women Entrepreneurs Enclave. Today is World Entrepreneur Day and I'm so happy and so thankful to Chaitali for organizing this mega event where women entrepreneurs can come together, network, interact, motivate, inspire, and encourage each other to do better in their business and in their life. So a big congratulations to Chaitali Chatterjee of Women Entrepreneurs Enclave. I'm very thankful and happy and honored to be associated with WEE today and always. God bless you.
Hello everyone, my name is Neelam Kumar. I'm a best-selling author of 11 books. 12th is under print. I write inspirational, motivational stuff, and I've also written Manisha Koirala's biography. And my books, 2 of my books have been funded by Mr. Superstar, Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, and late Mr. Ratan Tata. What can I say about WEE? I've been here at the first launch event in 2018. And look at the way Chaitali has grown. From 100 women who attended the first launch, now there are 40,000 plus pan-India entrepreneurs. I really wish Chaitali continues her success journey, goes to leaps and bounds. She has been really successful in encouraging women to dream big and to see the potential within themselves. I am sure in the days ahead, Chaitali's name and fame and work is going to be recognized not only in India but across the world too. Thank you very much.
Namaskar, this is Shomu Mitra, actor, director, producer and social activist. Shomu Mitra Creation founder, also Creative Connection Trust founder. Today I am feeling very, very happy to be here. वी फाउंडेशन की आज बहुत बड़ी प्रोग्राम हो रहा है बॉम्बे में, महाराष्ट्र में, आर्किड होटल में। चैताली मैम जो है वो फैंटास्टिक एक इनिशिएटिव लेके काम करते हैं, पूरी नेटवर्क उनके साथ जितनी भी लेडीज़ का कुछ भी प्रोडक्ट, बहुत बिजनेस में मुझे उतना आइडियाज़ नहीं है, मैं क्रिएटिव वर्ल्ड से हूँ, बट मेन चीज़ इंटेंशन जो है वर्ल्ड से जुड़े हुए एक पूरा कनेक्शन होता है, एक दूसरे को सपोर्ट होता है। कोई भी कुछ भी काम करना चाह रहा है जो बिज़नेस लेके, तो इसमें बहुत एक स्ट्रॉन्ग प्लेटफॉर्म है दिस इज़। तो चैताली मैम डूइंग अ फैंटास्टिक जॉब एंड आई फील वेरी हैप्पी टू बी एसोसिएट विथ हर एज मेरा भी क्रिएटिव कनेक्शन ट्रस्ट फाउंडर जो मैं हूँ और जो मेरा फाउंडेशन काम करता है। हम लोग बसंत पंचमी एंड हम लोग पहला बैशाख बहुत बिग लेवल में करते हैं और उसमें भी बहुत सारे आर्टिस्ट जुड़े हुए रहते हैं। बहुत सारे टैलेंट को हम लोग सपोर्ट करते हैं, स्ट्रीट बच्चे को, ऑर्फेन्स किड्स को काफ़ी हम सपोर्ट करते हैं। और चैताली मैम भी हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं, उस टाइम भी एग्जीबिशन लगता है वीक के। सो दिस इज़ द थिंग्स, हम अकेले कभी कुछ बहुत बड़े एक लेवल मंजिल हासिल करना है तो अकेले नहीं राह तय कर सकते, यू नो लाइक। तो वी हैव टू ऑल वर्क टुगेदर। तो इकट्ठे जब बंद मुट्ठी होता है ना, उसका अलग ही रिजल्ट होता है। तो इसके लिए आज का प्रोग्राम बहुत अच्छा सक्सेस हो रहा है एंड बेस्ट विशेस टू चैताली मैम एंड हर टीम एंड वी फाउंडेशन एंड मेरी क्रिएटिव कनेक्शन ट्रस्ट फाउंडर शोमू मित्रा को आज उन्होंने एक अलग लेवल पे अलग तरीके से उन्होंने सम्मान दिया है, अवार्ड मिला है मुझे। और अवार्ड किसको ना अच्छा लगता है, कोई अच्छा काम करने के लिए वो एक्नॉलेजमेंट बहुत ज़रूरी है और उसके लिए इनकरेजमेंट बहुत ज़रूरी है। और वो ये अवार्ड अगर मिलता है तो जिम्मेदारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी और आगे बढ़ जाता है। तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे। थैंक यू सो मच टू वी फाउंडेशन, लॉट्स ऑफ लव।
Hello, I am Jane Rodrigues, founder of the Jane Rodrigues Hearing Aid Centers and ENT and cancer, thyroid, tinnitus and hearing centers. Today I'm very proud to be part of WE while we celebrate the 7th World Entrepreneurs Day with awards being given to entrepreneurs. Happy to be very happy to be part of WE and to have a wonderful founder like Chaitali, who's a very encouraging and very helpful lady who has helped me also grow from strength to strength. Thank you.
आप सबको दीपा नारायण झा का प्यार भरा नमस्कार। कैसे हैं आप सब? आज मैं यहाँ आई हूँ वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर वी अवार्ड के लिए। चैताली जी ने मुझे बुलाया है। चैताली जी हमेशा लेडीज़ लोग के लिए, वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर के लिए बहुत अच्छा करती हैं, बहुत आगे बढ़ रहे हैं। आई एम सो प्राउड ऑफ ऑल ऑफ यू एंड आई वांट टू गिव ऑल द लेडीज़ गुड विशेस। आगे प्रगति करती रहे, घर का देखभाल करते हुए, पति का देखभाल करते हुए, बच्चों को संभालते हुए भी आप अपना बिजनेस भी कर रहे हैं, आगे बढ़ते रहिए। ऑल द बेस्ट टू ऑल द लेडीज़ इन द वर्ल्ड। थैंक यू वेरी मच। बाय बाय, नमस्कार।
This is Dr. Advocate Premlata Jain. I am a property lawyer. I deal into all society matters, society deemed conveyance, any litigation with respect to the societies or the land. Anybody who is buying a land, anybody who is buying a unit can connect me. Thank you very much. I am very much thankful to we and very much thankful to Chaitali who has just connected me to such a good platform where I have got good opportunities, where I got the opportunity to represent myself and my business and my qualities, what do I have, to such a good platform. So I am really thankful to we and to Chaitali. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Mohit Kumar. I'm so happy to be here at V event. It's been 7 years. Chaitali has been doing a tremendous job, amazing work. And I'm hosting the events. I'm such a privileged person. I'm feeling so privileged to host this event. And I'm going to be like rocking the event. I'm sure everybody is going to enjoy. So be with me and I wish Chaitali a very, very many more successful years to come. And I'm so excited and happy to be here. Thank you so much. Mohit Kumar is my name. I'm into artist management and I'm an artist myself. I'm going to host the event. Let's see how it's going to go. Thank you.
Hi, I am Dr. Vijay Keswani, celebrity Vastu Astro expert, healer and meditation guru. Right now appearing on leading TV channels like Tata Play, Airtel TV, Dish TV and Shemero apps. I have been awarded with World Book of Records, London and Global Book of Excellence, England. आज चैताली मैम ने हमें ये अवार्ड से नवाजा है फॉर द बेस्ट वास्तु एस्ट्रो कंसल्टेंट एंड आई एम रियली थैंकफुल टू चैताली मैम एंड वी ग्रुप फॉर दिस अवार्ड. थैंक यू सो मच. गॉड ब्लेस.
Hello, today is World Entrepreneurs Day, so lots of best wishes for that. My name is Archana Bhandarkar. I'm a dietitian and a menopause coach, and I assist women in their 30s, 40s, 50s, and beyond to thrive and not just survive in menopause. And I have been associated with Women Entrepreneur Enclave since a few years, and Chaitali has been a great support, and she helps entrepreneurs like me to actually get their dreams come true. So I would really like to thank Chaitali and we for this opportunity where I was honored in the category of wellness coach. Thank you.
So, good morning. This is Saili Kulkarni, and I'm a brand owner of Feminine. And I would really like to thank Ms. Chaitali to give this opportunity to me. And thanks for breaking silences, because this pad thing, periods, menstrual hygiene, intimate hygiene, is like taboo and stigma still in society. But Chaitali and the We platform has break the silence and bring this thing on platform. So thank you very much. Thanks Chaitali and thanks We.
Kalpana Mangal. I'm a floral designer. My company name is The Blooming Story India. Thank you Chaitali. Thank you We for giving me this award for my beautiful designs, beautiful decoration for events. I do complete wedding decoration, complete corporate decoration, event decoration, and many more festival, political, social, personal events. Thank you so much.
Good evening, this is Kirti, and thanks to We Award for giving me this platform. More than just this award, I would like to thank Chaitali ji for starting this forum for women, for entrepreneurs. So this is actually a great deal, because we go through a lot of roller coaster through our entrepreneur journey, but this is something which actually boosts our morale to keep going. Thanks to judges, jury, and every entrepreneurs who are working hard to achieve their dreams. Thank you so much.